Today is Tuesday, February 18th, 2020, and listen to that wind. If you could hear it, but it's really blowing the trees. And I'm in Port Huron, Michigan right now, in my apartment. And it is a little bit past 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. See if we could get another, that wind comes up again. But it's really windy. See that branch moving over there, right across the street in the tree. Here it comes again. The sound of the wind. And the sun is barely coming through the clouds. Early this morning, it was the New York Times, an article about the moon passing over Mars, the planet Mars, where it would cover planet Mars. But I got up early this morning, but I didn't read the article till later this morning, and we had cloud cover, so I probably wouldn't have been able to see it. But the moon passed over Mars. There's the sun. It's coming through. Yay! It's coming through the clouds. Got it focused or not. Now it's gone behind the clouds. Can't win for trying, sun. Here comes the wind again, the sound. Okay, have a nice week. It's Tuesday. Yesterday was President's Day in the United States and Family Day in Canada. Bye for now. This is Joanne Marie Rumford, Port Huron, Michigan, on Tuesday, February 18th, 2020. And it's a little past 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time.